Hello guys, welcome to SemTech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to deposit USDT to your FLUXSTAR account. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me take you through this process. Okay, it's very simple. So first you need to log into your account. So I'll open the page. Okay, let me log into my account. Okay, so this is the dashboard of the FLUXSTAR account, and you can see I have some 300 USDT over here. So I'll show you guys how I made the deposit. Okay, so to make a deposit you need to get USDT in your crypto wallet, whether Binance or OKS or Trust Wallet or Tronlink or any crypto wallet. Okay, and what you have to do now is to just click on this deposit. Okay, so minimum amount you can deposit to this platform is $100. So you can deposit from $100, $200, $500. You can deposit any amount. Okay, but minimum start from $100. Okay, so when you want to make a deposit, you just need to click on this deposit button. Okay, so when you click on the deposit button, you need to click on this crypto to select the type of crypto you want to use to make a deposit. So if you want to use the USDT TRC20 or Bitcoin or Ethereum or any cryptocurrency over here, just select the crypto you want to use. Okay, and after that you click on this create. Okay, you click on this create, and automatically it will create an address for you to copy. You can see an address has been created for us. Okay, so you need to copy this address, or you can scan this QR code to make a deposit. Okay, so as I said, minimum amount you can deposit to the platform is 100 USDT. So I will just copy the address. If you want to make a deposit, you need to copy the address. Okay, when you are done copying the address, then you go to your crypto wallet. As I said, whether Binance or OKS or Trust Wallet or Bybit or any crypto wallet you are using. Okay, so you just open your crypto wallet and you send the money to it. Okay, so when you're done making your deposit, automatically it will appear on the platform. Okay, so the amount you deposit, whether you deposit $200 or $300, any amount you deposit will appear here. You can see I have 300 USDT, meaning I have deposited $300. Okay, so if this video helped you to make a deposit to the platform, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.